UMLA berem jangkarani constituency ulapan ya sono ialah di Syaka Bharatiya Janata Party Martin M Danggo ulapan pa ba unget skam haki nongïalam bagi nongkyrshan jong u ba kunturu ya nongïalam ka BJP ban betin lentilam haka jingya lenti namar election kalajan.
You see, it is not my will alone. All my leaders are present here, as you could see. So on the 30th of January, all my leaders, they have gathered and they have unanimously resolved that I should resign from NPP and join to BJP party. So as per their decision only, I am joining to BJP and I have joined BJP today. I rely on my leaders. What is the, it is up to them what they want to answer. I have just obeyed whatever the decision they have made, that's all.
So, but then you had your leaders have said that you could not get access to the chief minister. That is why you have resigned from the party.
No, they understand better. I will have answered to that.
Jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawa lawan kapor ka jingkela